Hello, hello, hello! Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a super easy brow tutorial. You can do this in 5 minutes or less. It's one of my favorite brow tutorials. Super easy and really effective for getting that full brow look. So first I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start setting my brows with the Ready Set Brow by Benefit. This is going to help my brows to stay up and not be flopping in the wind all day long. And this is a really good product. It's one of my favorite brow gels. Next, I'm going to go in with the Ultra Precise Brow Pencil from e.l.f. This is a super cheap pencil. It's about $5 at Target and it's one of my favorite. I'm going to go ahead and just draw fine lines to mimic hair-like strokes. Next, after the e.l.f. pencil, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Photo Focus Concealer. The concealer, this is one of my favorite concealers. It's about $4 and I just use it to lightly line my eyebrows. It just helps to really make the eyebrows very precise and cover up all of those hairs that I haven't been able to pluck out because of quarantine. Really need my eyebrows waxed. This is actually a brush that I got in a holiday set. It's like a little angled eyeshadow brush. I'm going to use that to put the concealer on underneath my eye and just kind of blend it in. And then I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to use the Pro Flawless airbrush in the number 56. This is from Sephora. And that's what I'm going to use to blend in that concealer around my eyebrows to really blend it in, make it look nice. I am going to leave a little bit of a thick concealer line underneath my eyebrow because I am going to go in and do the rest of my makeup after this. And now you have the finished look. So this is what my eyebrows look like. This is my go-to brow routine. A lot of people have been asking me about this, so I really hope that y'all enjoy this look. I really appreciate y'all. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.